Hello! I got another Pinch Me box in the mail. So I'm going to open it and show you guys what I received. Some scissors. I got to open this box. So, let's see. First thing we have is a sponge from Junbiat. I know I'm pronouncing that wrong, but Junbiat. That's the first thing. We have vitamin C lip balm from Achon Beauty. Achon Beauty. Have another one of the strawberry margaritas Ultima replenishers. Have from Jessia a deep hydration hair mask with keratin care. The wonderful, wonderful pistachios. These ones are roasted and salted. Ooh, we have, this one is a liquid matte lipstick, and this is from CMAA DU. See what color? Trying to see the color. The color is, it just says 01, so I found out when I open it. I can open it now. Had a little technical difficulty, but yes. So we left off with the liquid matte lipstick. I was going to open it to see what color we have. Ooh, it's pretty. Pretty color. So, yeah, it just says 01. So, when I try it, I'll see how good it looks on me. We have the Dear Body hand sanitizer. This is like a little coin pouch. We have Argan Oil Moisturizing Smooth Hair Mask. Oh, the hand cream lotion, Dior. I use this. I use another one I have. This one is Peach and Plants. It smells really good, the one I currently have. Then we have Payday. A peanut bar from Old Dominion. Oh, Nature's Garden Organic Healthy Mix. This one has a blend of cranberries, walnuts, almonds, Brazilian nuts, and pepitas. Another Cranberry Cosmo Ultima Replenisher. Orange Airhead. Ooh, Mounds. I know. I don't know if I said it that way. Mounds UV Hydrogel Face Mask. It's called Calendula Petal. This looks fun. Oh, Ricola. 2 Ricolas. I think they sent me some things because I had a box that was some extra things because I had a box that was stolen, unfortunately. So that's why I think I got this bigger box instead of a normal smaller Pinch Me box. And then we have, this is the Takuma body lotion. And this is, of course, a 17 free meals from HelloFresh, a coupon. And this is just telling you about the Ultima Replenisher Refreshers. And it has a 20% off. I don't know if you guys can scan a video, but 20% off QR code if you want to order some. So, yeah, that is what I had in my Pinch Me box. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.